welcome back to my studio and welcome back to another studio vlog. I hope you're having a great start to the new year. I didn't film very much in December. I was focusing on my commission pieces that I had and spending time with family, but now we're back at it and I have a schedule created and a lot of content planned for you guys. I just started bullet journaling for the year. I showed you guys a little bit of a flip through of my 2020 setup, and I also wanted to share one of my big goals for this year is to fill these two sketchbooks. I worked on them in 2019 and didn't get very far. This is my portrait. I created a board on Pinterest that you guys can follow along and use those photos with me as reference photos, and I'll have it linked down below. And if you end up using the board or any of those photos, tag me in the post so I can see what you're working on. I did want to share one of my Christmas gifts with you guys. I'm really excited about it. I got this puzzle. We tried starting it. It's very, very hard, so it's gonna take a while to get done, but I'm excited to get that done, and I really want to frame it when it's done. progress on this piece. I really like how the brush strokes are coming in here. I blended it a lot, so I want to go back in and add more strokes in it, but I like the way it's blended out right now. So that is it for this week's studio vlog. I know it was a little bit all over the place. New vlogs, I'm hoping to get those done weekly for you guys. If there's any specific content that you would like to see from me, please leave it down below. I started this painting with you guys today. I'm going to be finishing it up in the next studio vlog, and it will be the January print for my Patreon. So if you haven't checked out my Patreon, the link will be down below. And I also set up a tier with a Discord area for different artists to come in, and you guys can share your work and get feedback from me and also everybody who is in the Discord. So please check that out. I would really love if you join, then let me see your work. And if you have any questions about it, just leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.